we are ready to start to push the first one for, ladies and gentlemen, tonight in front of your eyes, the longest domino shooter in Malaysia! So the goal is really easy. I'm just gonna push the first shot. All the shots have to fall down inside the glasses. And one thing very important, the glass on the bar, right? All the glass on the bar are with alcohol, all right? The glass on the table, no alcohol. Like that, everybody can have a glass tonight. If you have a doubt, just ask the bar team. So, ladies and gentlemen, first, just before you start, you have seen them since 7:30, they're preparing for you. This domino shooter makes some noise for the bar team! Then I do the countdown, we push the first one, and then until the last glass drop, the last shot drop, I want to see everyone